Hello everyone, this is Caddy from Cummins in China. We are a construction machinery supplier with over 16 years experience. We have exported to more than 200 countries. Today we are going to visit LUTONG factory in Luoyang and check machines for our clients. Okay, let's go! Behind us is LUTONG LTP1016H roller. It is a hot selling model of our company. The machine weighs 16 tons. It is a hydraulic pneumatic tires roller. Let's take a look at its appearance. The whole length is 4.8 meters and the height to cut is 3.2 meters. This machine is bright yellow with smooth body and very beautiful. Look at here, it has 4 tires in the front, 5 tires at back. It has a full hydraulic stepless speed change and a large tonnage with low center of gravity design to ensure reliable, safety, simple, and comfortable operation. It's equipped with Cummins engine, which provides powerful performance, convenient maintenance, and energy saving. Now let's get closer and have a look at the cabin inside. It is equipped with air conditioning, the electronic control sprinkler tank, and multi-stage sprinkler filter system, which can ensure normal operation of the equipment. If you are interested in our machinery, welcome to send us your inquiry. Thanks for your time. See you next time. Bye!